Hi and welcome. Okay, really excited. Today we got a couple of boxes that we received in the mailbox. It's Saturday here. I don't know when this is going to get posted, but as you know, if you've watched some of my previous videos, I'm a Canadian girl who's now living in the US, and we didn't get mail on Saturdays. And what's really exciting here in the States is you have to go out of your house to get your mail. It's in a mailbox that's in front of the house. What's good about it also is if you have mail that has to go out, you just put a cute flag up and they pick up the mail from the box. So this is all new to me here, and I was very excited to get the two boxes that I got today. I'm probably going to do two separate videos because I haven't opened up the second box yet. It is the Allure box. The one we're going to be going through right now in this video is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I just received yesterday the IPSY in the foil package, which is the $10 one. This is the $25 a month one. Everything is so early this month. It's absolutely amazing. The other thing is there was an IPSY destination that was just an hour and a bit away from here, but I tried to check some stuff online to see what that was all about, and there's very small snippets of it on YouTube that they had one in Austin. It is exceptionally hot here. It's over 100 and something degrees. This is also late in the day now, so my day just got away from me. So we didn't end up going. It was on the wish list to hopefully get there, but we didn't go. But with that said, it was outdoors. It was supposed to be like a mobile truck type thing, and there was like IPSY was going to be there and a couple of other ones, I think 5 or 6 different ones. I sent an email yesterday to find out more about it, about parking and stuff, and they really didn't have a lot of information on it. So I figured, you know what, I'll wait to learn more about it, and if it comes back here next year, maybe then I'll have an opportunity to go. But it just didn't fit in this time. So it was called IPSY Destination, and if anyone knows anything about it or went to it, if you want to leave some comments below so I can learn from that, that would be great. Okay, let's get into the box. What's also really exciting is the IPSY box had a Huda Beauty product in there, which I've never seen or used before. And the Allure box also is a Huda Beauty collaboration, I guess, or something that she was the one that was choosing what was going in the Allure box. So we'll have to go through that next and see what's going on. But like I said, I don't want these videos to be too long, and if you're just interested in the IPSY Glam Bag, I don't want to then talk to you about the Allure. So we're going to do one at a time. A couple of people that got their boxes got it with some yellow foam in it. I'm still getting the blues, so I don't think there was a change. I just think you got what you got. And the cute thing is they have sayings on the inside when you open up the box, and it says, "Don't be pretty like them, but be pretty like you," which is really sweet. Okay, the other thing that you get in the box when you get the IPSY Glam Bag is you get a card, and on the card it gives you points and tips on what you're going to be getting in the box. When I do the overview, I'll do it a lot closer, but I just want to give you guys a quick of what we actually got in the box. So this is for July 2019. So the first item that came in the box is a IPSY product. The IPSY mist products, I usually pick them up at Target. When I choose to buy the Target boxes that are usually around $7, it comes with like a $3 or $3.50 off coupon, and usually what I did, because you had to buy a minimum of $15, I would buy the IPSY sprays from them. So I'll do another video comparing all the different sprays, but this one I never picked up, so I'm happy that this was in the box. This is the Glow, it's called the Glow Mist. It comes packaged where you have to take off the seal, so it's great, so nothing leaked in the thing, and also in the box. And then this also, as you can see, you need to mix it because there must be some oil in here, so you probably have to mix it every time that you want to use it. So let's just see what they wrote up here on this product. It says, "Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils." So that's what's separating here is the oil. It says it has rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. The tip is to shake it up. Mist your skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for refreshing pick-me-up. So these sprays spray beautifully. It's a light mist. All the bottles look similar, so I'm assuming that's the same thing with this one here. I'm going to see if I could take a little bit of just the top part of this off so I can show you guys the mist. Yep, not a problem. Okay, so that's how it looks like when the cap is off. Let's give it a shake and yeah, see how fine that mist is? It's just beautiful. Oh, it has a really almost powdery smell to it. Very refreshing. I don't feel the oils as much as I thought I was going to, so it's really, really nice. IPSY is a really nice brand. Like I said, it's available usually at Target, and whenever I have an opportunity to try some of their mists out, I do. So this is a definite add to the collection, and this is called their Glow Mist. The next item is something that I've used in the past. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, IT Cosmetics was introduced to me through the shopping channels, and whenever there's a kit or there is a today's special, I grab them. And I get introduced to this product, which is their, this is their Superhero Mascara. It comes like this. The, oh, I should have brought the little sample one that I have and another one. I just threw out one a few days ago. As these get older, they seem to gather at the where you open and close. I should have kept it to show you guys. It was before I was doing videos. The in between when you close it, it seems to get gooey almost, but some of the actual mascara comes out and it goes around the rim of where you're closing it. So I had more of it on my hand than I did on my lashes, so I actually threw out the whole container. I do have another one as a backup of this. It is a little wet, this mascara, when you first use it. So I like it when it gets a little bit older. However, with that said, when it gets too old, you end up with that small issue there. So let me just read to you what is written about this on there. And when I do the overview, I'll pull out the other ones that I have so I can actually show you how the brush is on this. But it's a standard straight brush. Oh, actually, here's a picture of it. It's a standard straight bristle brush that is on here. And what they wrote here is just Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. It said, if you want long, lifted, defined lashes, this is a no-flake formula. It's enriched with exclusive elastic stretch technology. Its sun-powered ingredients like biotin and peptides help to strengthen the lashes. The polymers are in there to lift, and collagen to build up your lashes from the inside out. The specially designed wand grabs your teeniest lashes and coats them in color from root to tip, no lashes left behind. Plus, it's long wearing, so you barely need to touch up even after hours of wear. And then their tip is to wiggle the wand through your lashes in a zigzag motion from root to tip. To pile on the drama, just swipe on another coat. I always do more than 1 or 2 coats with all my mascaras, because for me, like I've mentioned, my eyes are very small, so that's something that I have to use. But I'll do another video where I'll show the mascara, but it does reach all the lashes. The brush goes from small to wider, so it really hits everything. But like I said, it's a wet mascara. I don't love it, and it's usually with IT Cosmetics. I love all their products. They had a previous mascara that I really loved. I'll have to look at what the name is on that one, but the tip wand had a ball at the end of it, and I loved it to be able to really reach the other areas, and it was a drier mascara. So that's it from the IT Cosmetics, but this is a $24 value on its own, so that already pays for the box because the whole box is only $25, so that's really great. The next item that we got is from this company called Naked. Naked, it came in a box like this, and what came in were these small little containers that are filled with loose pigments. I opened up here to see if they actually go into each other, because in another box I got a size like this, which I thought was a sample size, but obviously it's not. It's the actual size of their regular products, and I'll show you this one before I pull all these apart. This came with a plastic here, if you can catch that on the, yeah, there. And but like I said, they don't go into each other, so that's what's that there. So I probably am going to end up keeping them in the box once I pull the packaging off, because otherwise it's just going to be loose all over. The only other products that I tried that were loose pigment was Bare Minerals, and I find it more difficult to use. I seem to make more of a mess when pigments are loose than when they're in palettes. And it's funny because I love the ColourPop palettes, but when ColourPop first came onto the market, they came on with loose pigments and I had no interest to it. So when they came out with the palettes, I was like first in line for the Yes and all the other ones that came after that, which I'll go through those on another video about ColourPop, but really, really love that ColourPop line. So let's talk about Naked Cosmetics in this one here. So let's see if they have even what the colors are that we got in here. So it says 4-piece pigment set. This is supposed to be a $40 value. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are in here, hence called 4-piece pigment set. Okay, friends, and get together. Okay, Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, waxes, or talc. They can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled, loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. The tip is to use a dense shader brush to apply. They're saying SN02 all over your lids. Blend NN01. Okay, so there must be names on the bottom. This is one from my stash, so it doesn't look like any of them are called DE02, which was Desert Sunset. So this will be a new one for me. So then they say how to smudge 04, then a damp angled eyeliner brush, but don't stop at your eyes. Now you can use these mixed pigments as highlighters or mix them with your favorite lip gloss and nail polish to make them shimmery. So I guess you can use them for a lot of different things, but what's cute about this is on the actual outside of the package, you can actually see the color of the product that's inside as well as down here. And when you take the cover off, it's still on there, so you're able to really see what's inside. And I don't want to spill this, so that's what it looks like here. And I'm just going to take the little bit that's in the cover here and see how this, oh wow, oh my God, look at that. That was like, did you see how little I put on my finger? That is unbelievable, and it feels so smooth. Oh my God, completely blown away. All right, okay, we're definitely going to go through this on the overview and open up all of them and do that. So very excited about that. Okay, the next item that we got is from Huda Beauty, which very, very excited. Never had an opportunity to try any of her products. She is absolutely stunning, and excited to try it. This was her 3D highlighter palette. It came in a sleeve like this, like I showed you before. This is the gorgeous Huda on the cover. And I don't know if you can catch that. Do you see how that's the highlight on her eyes, on her lips, and on her really, really, really smart packaging. And then inside they have another picture of her here. Just stunning. And what's great is that usually those are just plastics that cover to make sure, but when it's something as gorgeous as this, I think people will keep them, which is really smart because otherwise everything transfers. So really, really excited about that. On this one here, from what I looked at prior, because you always know what you're going to be getting in the box, I wanted to read up a little bit more on this, and everyone seemed to be very surprised. This one that we got today here in my box is called the Bronze Sand Edition. From what I saw, there were a couple of other ones with this. I'll read up on it and see what's there, but this one here is a cream base, and then these three are all powder. And what they marked was 1 was to prep, 2 is to set, 3 is to sculpt, and 4 is to flush. And they're lined up so that you know which one is which. And the prep one, it says apply Barbados to the base to smooth your skin and apply light in reflecting pearls. 2 will set, dab the, and they're all, the names are there too. It's Barbados, Maldives, Aruba, and Bora Bora. And it says 2, you dab Maldives, which is the second one here. And it says from cheek to temple to set and bring it to a pops. 3 is to sculpt under the cheekbones to add dimension and shape, and 4 is flush, so like a blush color. So like I said, I'll go through all of these in the overview, and we'll be able to play with it more up close and see what these all look like. So very excited about that. And then the next one is a skincare product, and it's from the company Police. It came in a beautiful box, and this is the size of the actual product that we got. This says on the box it's 1.7 fluid ounces. It is a watermelon energizing aqua balm. In my box last month, and I didn't get a chance to use it yet, I have this small sample size, and it's watermelon energized 2-minute polishing peel. So I'm gonna double check. I mean, the packaging looks so similar, yet they're saying they're 2 completely different things. So I'm gonna take a look at this one a little bit closer and see if it's similar to the sample size that I received last month. This one is a $45 value. I don't know if I mentioned, this one was $15, and this one I think I told you was $40. And we talked about the mascara, that was $24. This is called Police. It says it's a watermelon energizing aqua balm. Aside from being one of the fave summer fruits, which is watermelon, which everyone is getting into, it's so good for your skin. It's the star ingredient in this lightweight balm. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten your complexion, to generate your skin cells, plus aloe vera and cucumber. They work together to calm the inflammation and reduce the redness. With white tea extract, protects your skin cells from damage. It says apply a pea-sized dot onto your cheek, your forehead, your nose, and your cheeks. Use your fingers to smooth it out evenly or all over your face. So very confused on if this is even similar to this, because it says it's a 2-minute polish peel. So you know what? What I'll do is I will check that out and see what the differences are between the two, and show in the overview the differences. So that's great there. And then I think that was it. Did we get everything? Yeah, that's everything in the box. So really great, like I said, for $25. We'll definitely go through the Allure box separately, but the Allure box had her as a pamphlet on the inside. This was Dive In. This was the Glam Plus box, which is $25 a month, and they bill you monthly on that. So hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'll definitely do an overview with a little more detail up close so you guys can actually see the products and the actual colors a little more up close, and then we'll take it from there. All right, thanks for checking in, and hope you subscribe. It's free, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.